My name is Alex, and I'm going to show you how to make a young person look old in Photoshop. So I'm going to use my own face here, and I'm just going to show you the basic details that you can add to just add age to any photo. So I like to use the burn tool a lot because that's probably my favorite way to go about doing this. I'm going to rasterize that. And I'm going to start with, and if you need a reference image, by all means, you know, it always helps to have one. So one of the things you can do is kind of add some crow's feet wrinkles, and you can bring your exposure down if you don't want it that dark, and you can always go back in and just smudge out too much detail, like so. And then you can do that here too, because I've already got a bit of some lines here. So. You can do that on both eyes. I'm only going to do it on one just so you can see. And then you're going to want to add a crease here. This is called the nasolabial crease, and when you get older, this just shows a lot more. And you're going to want to shade it a little bit on the side where the shadows are. Essentially, you're darkening what could already be there. If you have like really light wrinkles, darkening them will really add that older look. My name is Alex, and this is how you make a young person look older in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.